Hello, Rick here again with Oasis. Right now we have featured our spinner bench. This is a lot of storage in a very compact area. It comes with a metal ball bearing lazy Suzan, so this spins with just the touch of a finger very easily. It is included in this are 12 3-inch long brass rods for thread storage. So you can store up to 3 spools material on each rod. So there's 36 spooled materials of wire, tinsel, lead, threads that you can put right there. It comes with 14 of these clear plastic storage jars. They're crystal clear to store your favorite items, hooks, beads, eyes, whatever. It has down here your larger holes for your bottles. It comes with 4 1 3/4 inch holes for larger items. And there are 4 1 1/4 inch holes for medium-sized items, and 6 smaller medium-sized holes for medium-sized items. You've got things like smaller items like this wax dispenser here can fit up here. We have another jar can fit right in there. There's room for 8 bobbins on these rear holes on each side. You've got a foam insert here for your bodkins, a hackle plier hanger to store your hackle pliers. Tools you're actually tying with can go right up here in front. You've got scissors, hackle plier hanger type items. We've got whip finishers, dubbing loop tool, larger items like your large needle pliers to bend on those barbs, can fit in numerous holes. Another pair of scissors up here in front. Maybe you got a place to put some Zap-A-Gap super glue. Hair stackers can go right here or here. And you got marking pin, place for a marking pin. Some of these holes are shallow, some are deeper, so they work for various. Some work better than others for different kinds of items. Pair of forceps up here in front. So when you're actually tying with the bench, it's going to be like this. You're going to put where your tools are up in front, so you have easy access to them. But you can very easily spin around and find something else you might be looking for. The center hole in the middle is designed to hold feathers. I've found that they stay in really good condition when you stick them in that large hole, and you could pull out what you need when you need it and put it back very easily. They don't get matted, or especially with the spools of thread around here, that'll help to keep these more contained once you get these brass rods filled up with spools of thread. We've got holes for wing burners. You can put in some of these holes like right here. And then you'll notice here on the end of each of the lazy Suzan part, we have a rippled foam and we have a magnet. The magnet would be good for smaller midge type flies that aren't real bushy. As you can see, this woolly bugger here, if I stick it just right and get that hook on the magnet, it'll hold it. But it doesn't hold it as well as this rippled foam piece does on this end. So for larger flies, I'll just hook my finished flies right here on the rippled foam until I can get them into my fly box. So it looks something like that. And of course, this is a bench that's designed to work with a C-clamp vise. You're going to attach your vise here. If you want to, you could add a light right here in this 1/2 inch hole. Swing arm lamp that's going to put your light right over your fly. So we're going to help with seeing detail and eye strain. Or you could, even though this comes with this nice piece of rippled foam on this, you could put one of our fly docks right here to put your finished flies on when you're done tying. And then there are a few holes right down here in front on the bench. They're always here that you can put scissors in, your whip finisher, other items you might want to use that will be right at your fingertips when you're tying. So that is our Lazy Susan bench.